Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are today. You are welcome back again on the Betong's Crypto. Today we are going to look at some top five meme coins that you can buy and hold into your portfolio. And also we're gonna do Bitcoin analysis because it's always good to do analysis on Bitcoin to see the bigger perspective of what is going on in the market. Bitcoin is the alpha, and if say you don't see what Bitcoin is doing, then you might not pick the right coins out there because what Bitcoin is doing, reflect to what that best altcoin or top altcoin is doing. So we don't look at the market and see because like Bitcoin has been doing bad. Well, not really bad if say we zoom out, looking at the higher time frame. But when we look at lower time frame and market structure, it shows that Bitcoin has broken structure and it's bad, when Bitcoin breaks structure. We always look at market structure to determine where price is gonna go long term or short term. And in today's video, we're gonna analyze Bitcoin to see where Bitcoin is at, where Bitcoin might move towards. Then look at those top five altcoins that can really help us make massive income in this game. Because guys, again, I'm here to make more Bitcoin. I'm here to trade altcoins, meme coins, whatsoever you want to call it, to make more Bitcoin. So you're welcome here. By the way, I'm not in like having my normal setup. I'm actually away from my city. I'm away from Gothenburg, Sweden. I'm currently in Finland. Yeah, I came here. So I think yesterday, and yeah, so I have to
Sorry,
do
I'm
this
not able to
video.
make a phone call at this time, but you can
Shut
ask
down,
me to
Siri.
make a FaceTime call.
Siri, my Siri is talking. I'm talking. Siri is talking on my computer. You guys can listen to what Siri is talking. Anyways, let's dive into this, guys, straight away. Um, okay, now we're looking at crypto bubbles. Of course, I always come to here first to look at what is going on against Bitcoin. Not this coin is on the this coin is on the Ton network. It's not. It's one of the top coins on the Ton network. So it's up against Bitcoin 45%. NI is up 3%, OD is up 2%, OP is up 2%. So you can see the ones with green here are the ones that are doing well. If you pay it with Bitcoin, which is awesome. You need to be looking at this every day to see if say Bitcoin is your coin is outperforming Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is outperforming your coin, then why be in that coin? The idea is for you to be in a coin that have trades more than Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is doing well, that altcoin is gonna do so well. And if Bitcoin is dumping, and that altcoin is dumping like crazy, then you don't have to be in that altcoin. So let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Let's see which coin still has strength on the weekly time frame against Bitcoin. You can see OMO is here on the daily time frame. EGLV is up here on the daily on the sorry on the weekly time frame. OMO is up on the weekly time frame. Safe is up. Frax, Zout. Guys, this coin you are seeing with green like this on the daily time on the top 100 coins, they are the ones that are gonna make you more profit long term. When if say your play is looking at, you're like you wanna be so safe, you wanna be safe, focusing only on the top 100 coins, and these are the picks that you have to look at and see what they are doing. The ones with green, of course, AUD is down 90% against Bitcoin for the week. But if we look at the month, you're gonna see also the ones that are doing that have been doing well against Bitcoin for the month. You can do this on multiple time frames, and also you can change the ranking from the top 100 right up to the top 1,000 coin in the crypto space. So that's that. Now let's look at the alpha. Let's look what is the alpha doing. Of course, guys, when we see a dip like this, price always resets, to the moving averages. You can see the Trendillo has resetted, went up towards this area, but it didn't go to the overbought area. And we are seeing some sort of retracement back to this area, which is going to form some sort of divergence. But what we want to see is for price to hold this zone here. This, let's say this yellow line here. We want to see price get up and price should hold that area. If price is not able to hold that this area, then we might go more downward to 52,000. I've been calling 52,000 for some time now, and I think most people didn't take me serious. I know some people are taking me serious now, when they see what I've done, and I've posted this on my Twitter. You can see. If you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, go and follow me on Twitter. Let me show you guys where I share this. I also talk about this on my videos. But I written this. I wrote this before. This dump. Let's see so you guys can see quickly. Okay. I cannot see this, but I wrote something about it. I believe in the future of Bitcoin and crypto. Yeah, there was something here as well. But let me see if I can see this quickly. Oh, I've posted so many videos, so we tweeted stuff. Um, let's see. Okay, see, yeah, as Bitcoin slowly bleeds to 52K, I want you to keep your eyes on the coin you missed before. Before, like if you miss a coin before the pump, then now you have the opportunity to buy that coin now. So you can see I shared this on July 4th, and what happened on July 5th. I think on July 5th or July 4th. I think something like that. Now we are on July 7th. But go and follow me on X. I share stuff that can benefit you, as you go about your day-to-day activities with cryptocurrency. I'm also live here on X. I don't know. Let me see if I can see my live. Am I live here? Let me see. I should be live on X. Oh boy. Let me see. I should be live on X. Yeah, I'm live on X, but it's like I don't have any. Okay, this is my X live. It's my X live. Oh boy. Oh, this was the previous one. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm supposed to delete this one right now. I'm not able to delete it. Yeah, I can delete this one right now. I don't want this one. Okay, this is the one I am live now. So let me retweet this. Okay. So let's get back to this tier. I want us to look at this. Now, I expect Bitcoin to get to around 55,800 and reject, or around 55,000 and reject, at least 55,000 and reject. And if say we are to see Bitcoin really move somehow to the upside, then I think the target is going to be around 62 or $63,000 per Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin does this, then many other altcoins are going to recover with Bitcoin. I'm looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, but if I go to daily time frame, you can see clearly that even though Bitcoin is trading below the Betong moving average, we saw this hammer here, and this hammer, if price leaves this area here, then of course it's gonna come to um, around $52,000. I've been talking about this area multiple times or so many times because of these levels here, these vector candles, so keep an eye on this level. We have already broken structure for sure. We have broken structure. So if Bitcoin is to go back towards this area which Bitcoin has gone to, it was around $58,000, like let's say 59, 60. It's still towards this zone here, and I think Bitcoin can still get there. Then we cover this vector candle here, then price can then move back towards this area, then move towards where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. I've been calling for this zone more for some time now. That's going to be around either around $63,000, or if say price is not able to do that, then price can go at least back to $67,000 before coming down again. At least I want to see the alpha trend print a buy signal, then a sell signal again, to get to see all of these moves play out. And you can see we are at looking at the trend below, we are at the oversold area, which is awesome. When you see price around this zone, you want to start accumulating some altcoin that move alongside Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin is doing this, it means there are some altcoins that are doing the same. So you have to follow that to check on to see if the altcoins are doing the same thing as Bitcoin. Now looking at the USDT dominance, you see um the USDT dominance is so strong, and I have been looking at this towards this 6% price, 6% zone. We are now around 5.5%, but I think we're gonna get towards 6%, which is around where this sell signal was printed. I think that's the target, that was where we are going to, and if we are not going to go that there, at least at least let's have a stopping volume candle there, like something like this. I think this is a good one. But if we break this and go again up, then maybe we can course and go right up to 7% or 6%, which is gonna cause Bitcoin and other altcoin to really plunge downward. Guys, this chart signifies that investors or traders are favoring USDT, so they are selling into USDT. That's why you see the USDT dominance. It keep increasing. Now we are at 5%, and if say price goes the other way, if we see the alpha trend print a sell signal, or we see price rejecting, especially this 800-day moving average, then we want to start thinking of, okay, now maybe we might see some sort of minor reversal. You can see this bad boy is in an uptrend, and yeah, we can see some sort of reversal again here, which has already happened somehow, I think. So that's the target. So we might expect Bitcoin to go down right down to $52,000 before we see a huge bounce back to the upside. And if we look at the total, this is total tree. Let's see total tree. This is all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can see we are closer to this 800-day moving average, and this moving average is closer to this strong resistance here. So I think price might go there for it all altcoins except Bitcoin and Ethereum. It might get to this zone here before we see a bounce back. Usually when price get closer to the 800 moving average, it always bounce from it. If say the coin has trend. And one thing that I'm skeptical about is that price is below, it's now at below the 200 moving average on all time frames. Like if I look at this is a daily time frame on this total trade, which is not good. And if I go also on the chart of Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is below that moving average, the 200 moving average, which is not good. So we want to see price go and close above the 200 moving average. That's what I want to see. If that's not the case, then we can even see price of Bitcoin come right down to around $47,000. Yeah, it can do that. And not only that, it can even come right down to $39,000. Yeah, so we want to see price respect these zones, so that we don't plunge down. Of course, guys, if we plunge downward, the way I trade or my strategy, it wouldn't matter because we're going to be mostly in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does not do this, you know what some altcoins are going to do? They're going to do even more bad. And when they recover, you know how they recover. They recover like crazy, like whoop, pump to the upside. And that's when you make the money. You stay in Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin is now okay, then you can move to um, those old coins. Now, talking about those old coins, we are now on next screen now. Let me show you guys some altcoins that I think can really make you guys some profit. One of the altcoins is Daddy. Daddy is a meme coin. Let me not say it's a meme coin because it's not a meme. It's a fan token club. It's a fan token club. It's a fan token. Yeah, a fan coin. And this coin is backed by Andrew Tate. If you know who Andrew Tate is, then I think you wanna invest in this coin. And I'm investing in Andrew Tate per se. I know he's someone who is determined to disrupt. Is like he loves disruption a lot. He can do the undoable, the doable or the undoable to make this coin succeed. When every coin was dumping, this coin was holding like crazy. So I think that there's something about the coin, the community is so strong. If you go to the Telegram page, they're on Twitter as well. They're so strong, and this is what I want to see from a coin that I think might have a good future. So Daddy is one of those coins that I think you can look at if say you are interested to buy something that can help you, yeah, help you make money. And another one that I really love to focus on as well, is gonna be a coin on, the Ethereum blockchain as well. This is Boomer. This coin was launched back then and it pumped. It's I think this coin is gonna surprise some people like how Pepe, this surprised so many people. Many people was thinking um Pepe is dead, Pepe is not gonna do anything, and Pepe resurrected like but this is another coin which has been rejecting this zone multiple times. You can see if I zoom out, you're gonna see that this is this area here that this coin is rejecting. They don't want to see price break except something drastically is going to happen in the market. So I think because we have been playing around this zone, we can even see like a minor dip here. Then we're going to see a huge buyback again to the upside. But this coin can actually 10x your portfolio, at least 20x your portfolio. So if you look at the market cap, is around 500 million, but it left 1 billion. It went right up to 1 billion before, and now it's still around 500 million dollars, which I think is something cool. If say you really wanna take advantage of these coins, then you have to look at these coins and say, wow, if a coin like this is holding, then maybe in the future it can give you really good return. I always love to look at coins that can make me some profit, that can outperform Bitcoin, that has strong good community, and they are like they are like disrupting the industry. And if we go to, let's look at another coin here on, I want to go on the base network. We're on the Solana network. So on the base network, the first coin I want us to actually, I'm not seeing it here. I think, where is bread? Okay, this is bread. I want you to look at bread. Bread is the top meme coin on the on the base network. So if you understand what I mean by is the top, is the the top meme coin on base network, then you understand how underperformed this coin is. It has gone nowhere. We can see this coin going up to $10 billion. Like the market cap, or we can see it going up to $20 billion. It can get to Dogecoin ranking and so on. So on. Dogecoin is the number one meme coin on the, let's say, looking at Bitcoin, because Dogecoin is like it was born from Bitcoin, right? And looking at bread was born from the base network. Looking at Pepe, it was born from the Ethereum network. Looking at Bong was born from the Solana network. So we have to look at all of these and see that, okay, if bread is the number one coin on the base network, then anyone who comes on base is gonna buy bread. So you having that coin right now is gonna be a good call for you. You can get these coins for, I think bread you can get it from some exchanges right now, but you can get it directly from Dex Screener. You can use bot to trade it, go on Solana, Phantom wallet, and you're gonna buy. No, this, I think you're gonna buy this. I've done a video on how you buy on the base network, by the way. So maybe you can go to my videos and check on the ones how to buy from the base network. You're gonna get that video. I think that's gonna be helpful to you somehow. you know and yeah, the next that I have here is Trump. The reason why I chose Trump, the Trump coin, this Trump coin is the top in the. It says my stream stopped because of internet connection, so it's like I'm back. Can you guys hear me? Guys, I'm sorry, my internet is not that good. I thought I mentioned I'm not with my usual setup. This is just something that I'm using at the moment to at least bring this video to you guys. I'm already live to, I think, again. How many minutes am I live now? But this live has resumed. Just let me know, guys, if you're seeing the live this show. I can see you guys watching on YouTube. You're watching on X. So just let me know if, say, you're seeing or you're getting me one on one. Yeah, so Trump is another coin, and the reason why I want us to focus on Trump is because of Donald Trump, and also this Trump has the most liquidity in the market. Not only, like you can see here, 1.1 million, but this 1.1 million is only on the base network. I think they have more, like they are on the Ethereum, they are on different chains, so it made them the top Trump coin in out there. So I think that we're going to see another move to the upside, at least because of the U.S. election. Donald Trump is the leading candidate for leading candidate candidate for the Democrats, and he's winning. He's ahead of the polls, and all the saga going on with the election, all the stuff, the indictment, the criminal stuff. I think it has given the Trump supporters the urge to want to create something to support the movement, to support MAGA, all this stuff. So I think this coin is gonna be pumping before November, before the election in November. That's why it's on my list for the coin that you're gonna buy this 2024. And the next that I want you to look at this point in time is Andy. Andy also is a good coin that I think can really make you some good gains. The market cap is still around 40 million. It pumped to this upside. Of course, whenever something pump, it has to retrace. And I've created scenarios, or I've marked zones where you can get in when price does this. If price goes up to this area and come back and roll this zone, then you want to buy Andy from this area, or you can start DCA in by Andy. If it goes up and break, come back with DCA, you buy more. So if you have your $100 that you want to buy Andy, you can start by buying it for $10. After it does this, it goes up, come down, you buy it again with $10 or $20. Then it goes up again, come a little bit down, you buy it for about $30, or I don't know. But you just keep DCA in the coin until you are done with the $100 that you wanted to buy the coin. So Andy is one of the main coin I want you guys to keep an eye on. And the last I have here is Toshi. Toshi is it has done so much before, but right now we are looking at it. And let me zoom out this. Okay, looking at how I was again how I analyze the market. There are so many stuff I want to look at, and right now I'm looking at this on the daily time frame. Let me go back on the daily time frame for Andy. So Toshi, sorry, Toshi. So this is it. Price. Okay, let me get to this. Let me see. Let me take out this. Okay, so now you can see Toshi, has been moving like this. It pumped, it came back down, it pumped again, came back down. So this area should be a strong area of let me say support here for Toshi. This zone here should be a strong zone. So you can already start DCA in this coin. This is a good coin. It's not going anywhere now. I think if say Bitcoin is not pumped to $100,000 per Bitcoin, then this coin is gonna make you like 20x. So um, keep an eye on this. It's at a good zone, and even if I bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool from here to the top, you know, it's not give us again that zone. Look at that zone. Yeah, this is the zone. That zone where whenever something pump, it retraces back to that zone. It always going to bounce if the coin is good and have like a strong community. If it's a real coin, then we're gonna respect TA based on this movement, or we're gonna respect the Fibonacci retracement tools. You can see it has been respecting this multiple times here, yeah, and also is here. So guys, um pay attention to this. You can see also price reject, but when price was about to break this zone, price rejected the zone multiple times, one, two, three, four, five. Finally price break, it came back there and hold multiple times as well, then pump again. So you have to keep an eye on these levels when price is doing the opposite. So if price has to break again to this upside, you can see that this zone has multiple rejection here. Price will reject this zone multiple times here. Then after when it break, you're gonna reject this other one here, multiple times. It break this one multiple times before we see another leg up. So that's just how price moves. So you can take advantage of this. Now we are on daily time frame. If you see price get there, go to lower time frame and start DCAing. Like you look at that on lower time frame and you just DCA. All right, guys. I think to an extent we have come to the end of today's show. I can see Penila is my volume that is low or yours. I don't know. I don't know if it's your volume or my volume, but I think my volume is okay because I can see my volume bar there. It's okay. Maybe it was before I was like talking like this, but now I think it's okay. hopefully you guys enjoy the show, and I'm gonna let you guys go for today. Don't forget to like, share, and see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, as I mentioned, I'm gonna come here live. I don't know exactly when or which day I'm gonna come live. Because I'm not like I'm not in Sweden. I'm in Finland. But I'm gonna do maybe a vlog. We talk about the market. Yeah, I wouldn't be showing you my charts most of the time. I want to go outside and get a clear view, like so you guys can see me well. But I cannot do it on my laptop. I have to plug my laptop, so I can just go out and talk outside. We communicate and so on. Okay. Mm, okay, I was speaking low. Now I'm okay. It was as if maybe you didn't talk to me. That's why I was speaking low. Maybe you didn't talk to me, Penila M. So my voice was like, "Oh, baby, you didn't talk to me." All right, guys. See you the next time. Yeah, see you the next time. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break.